Okay, so the DBQ. DBQ is not only a document-based question, but also a skill-based question. So you're probably going to get some wild topic you know nothing about. You might know something about it, but honestly, it's intended for you not to know anything about it, I guess. Because it's all about skill. It's all about knowing how to write it, and unlike the other two prompts, this one you can get done without knowing information. So DBQ starts off with your intro paragraph, and in that you want to address the prompt, just sort of restate the prompt in your first sentence, and then in your second sentence, your thesis statement. You don't have much time, you only have 40 minutes to complete this essay, and it is a longer essay, so 2 sentences in your intro paragraph, you're good to go. And then next are your 3 body paragraphs. You definitely want to get 3 groups. Could get away with writing 2, but to be safe, 3 groups. You can do it. So that means 3 body paragraphs, and so you start off each body paragraph with a topic sentence. All you need to do in that is just state your group, and that's covering the grouping aspect of the prompt. So first sentence, state the group that you're going to be talking about, and then next you just kind of go with this structure where you're going evidence, analysis, evidence, analysis, for however many documents you're using for that particular group. And in the evidence, you're basically just stating the document and how it relates to the group and why it's included. And then the next, it doesn't have to be a new sentence. I mean, for the analysis part, you're just showing your understanding for the topic and showing your understanding for the document, showing that you understand what the document's saying and how it relates back to the prompt. Make sure you address the prompt. And then you have to include 2 points of view, 2 or 3. So here's a tip. If you just include point of view in each of the body paragraphs, then you'll get 3 point of views done and you're good. So if you see in each group, you're probably going to find a document where you recognize the point of view and then just sort of go with it. Find the point of view and explain how it assists or hinders anything. I mean, just show how it affects the document and how that affects the prompt. So if you interweave point of view throughout your body paragraphs, it takes care of that. So then you're going to have 3 body paragraphs, as I said, and then next comes I don't want to say the conclusion, but your next paragraph, which will include, again, point of view and the additional document that you have to include. So for the point of view again, honestly, you should just restate the point of views and how they affected the prompt in the document. And that also just sort of reinstates that you understand point of view, and that makes sure that you're going to get points for point of view. And then from there, you kind of just say, well, although these point of views are included, an additional document from the point of view or whatever from blank would do something, like something that would help you better understand and better analyze and better address the prompt if you had the point of view of insert here. Yeah. So then that's all you really need to do for the DBQ, and if you do all that, you get a good score. And I think you can do